Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here we go. Hope you're all doing good. So today, last time we ended at opening a folder, and now here we go. So after you opening your folder, this is what you have to do. You choose which application are you going to work in. Is it Excel? Is it PowerPoint or Microsoft Word? Now what you need to first know are that all these are softwares, and a software simply means a set of instructions, programs or commands that the user can operate to simplify his work. So Microsoft Word is a software that we are going to use for now to simplify our work. So it simply deals with in a setting of writings. You want to write a letter, you want to write a report, you can do it from Microsoft Word. So here, after you creating your folder, then you have to come and open it. Right click and go to open, then you open your folder. After you open your folder, we said you have to create a file because there are going to be very many files in the folder. You still right click, come to new, then you select. We are going to deal with Word, so you select Word. After selecting Word, you can now put in the name of what you want your file name. So the file name, let's say the file name is now uh, readings. That's now the file name. After that, press enter. Trace, it will automatically open here. It will automatically open. Now after it opening, this is now your working space from where you can now feed in your data that you want. Let's say you're putting in data like that. Hope you know how to do all that. Space your work. Then this can do several things. You can rectify your name. You want the word to be named. You simply right click on that, then you change what you want this to be. Now for this is a name, so you don't need to do that. You just have to right click on it to bring you that, then you change. So it has automatic software. It has now here, it's now the grammar and spelling checker. Now after you doing that, go to the next. You just have to press enter, then you come to the next thing. You fit in what you want. Let's say form 2. Now with this you can do several things. I can change what I want. I can put headers. Then when you come here, you can put footers. Very many things can be done. Very many things. A footer and a header can be inserted. You can change the font size. Simply highlight and change the font size. If you want it to be anything you want, you can simply come here and look out for the one you want, or you can come here where you are saying Calibri into body. You can change the one next to it. You can now change the font size from there. Let's say you want it to be in 100, including that, and it becomes into 100. You can still change the font, what the theme of fonts. Do you want it to be what? Do you want it to be Algerian? You want it to be Algerian, it will do that. So you can perform different tasks with a computer, specifically now for this case with Word. You can bold your work, you can italicize. Italicize means to make them slant. You can still underline. There are different options. How do you want to underline your work? Hmm? There are very many different options. But all that is done after highlighting. First highlight your work. Highlighting, you can also use Ctrl A. Ctrl, there's this button with CTRL. Control on that keyboard, then you combine it with what? With A. All those are now keyboard combinations. I think we shall get another episode for that. You can still align your work. You want your work to be aligned on the left hand side, in the center, or on the right hand side. You can paragraph. Now after you feeding in everything you want, we are specifically now looking at how do you save your work. So the main aim of this is for you to learn how to save your work, and this is how it's going to be. After you making all the changes, to save you come to files, what you are seeing there. Files, you can go back. Files is here in the top left corner of your document. After where you are seeing home, then files here. You can now, after opening there, you will see this option of save and then another one of save as. Now these two are all for saving, but they have different functions they do. Now for save as, that means when you're opening, you didn't name your document. So after going there, you have now to change the name of your document. Maybe you want to save your file as something else. Maybe you want to save it as a book. So what you come to save as, then you come to this PC. When you come to this PC, it will bring different what? Different locations. You want to be on the desktop. Now after doing that, you change. Maybe you don't want it to be readings, you want it to be book 2. So you come and say book what? Then where do you want it to be? The windows. How do you want to save your work? You can save your work best appropriate as 97.203. Then you can now press what? Save. Or you can use a keyboard combination of Control S. It will still perform the same thing as that. So that's how you're going to be saving your work after you performing everything on your document. So our main lesson today was about how to save your work, and hope that is now in your mind. Go to files, look up those two, save and save as. Save, this one is now when you have finished to name your document. Just come and save it. But then for save as, you have to change its name. Go there, go to this PC, then locate, specify the location in message documents, come and change here, then change, then you save. And that, hope that is clear, and that's now what we had for today. So don't forget to like and subscribe. We have to keep in touch and learn more from this video. Thank you.